Hello everyone, today I'll unbox 2020 iPad Pro 12.9 inch and the Magic Keyboard. Let's begin first with the iPad Pro 12.9 inch unboxing. It is a typical Apple white box with a colorful iPad Pro wallpaper image on the top, and you can see the iPad Pro name, and if you turn you can see the Apple logo and the pull tab to open the box, and if you turn you can see the iPad Pro name again for the second time, and if you turn it back and this other side you can see the Apple logo again for the second time. And this iPad Pro is 128 gigabyte version with the Wi-Fi and cellular, and this is the fourth generation of this iPad Pro 12.9 inch size. Let's go ahead and open the box using the pull tab. And once we open it using the pull tab, let's remove the plastic cover. And now I'm trying to remove the plastic cover. Okay, now we have the plastic cover removed and throw it away, and now we have the iPad Pro ready to be unboxed. Let's go ahead and try to open the box. A little bit stuck in here, I guess. Okay, let's try to keep it open. Okay, it should come out now. Okay, now I'm trying to open the box. A bit stuck still. Let's see whether it comes. Okay, it's come up now, so let's keep it away. Okay, what you first see is the massive iPad Pro. Let's take the iPad Pro away, and okay, what you can see is the iPad Pro with the dual camera and the LiDAR sensor, and this is how it looks. Let's keep it away for now and go ahead and see what else we get in the box. Okay, first thing you come up with the little box with some documentation, I guess. Okay, you have the iPad Pro guide, you have some regulatory information, a SIM eject tool, and the two Apple stickers. Okay, that's it what you get in the white box. Let's keep it away. Okay, here you go, and let's see what else we get. Okay, the first item we get in here is the 18 watt USB-C adapter, and yes, let's see what it looks like. And you can see the Apple logo and some description, and yep, that's the 18 watt USB-C wall adapter. And the next one is the USB-C cable. The both end is USB-C, as the iPad Pro itself is using the USB-C connector. Okay, now let's take a look at the iPad Pro itself. So at the back you can see the iPad logo, and let me remove the plastic cover. As you remove it, you can see the iPad Pro coming out, and here it is. Okay, it's the space gray color, and you can see the smart connector at the end and the Apple logo in the middle, and the name iPad there. And this is the USB-C port, and the and the speaker grills. If you turn, as this is the Wi-Fi and cellular model, you can see the US. And this is the back, 2 more speakers, and yeah, and you can see the power button in here. And this is on the back, you can see the 2 cameras with the LiDAR sensor. You try to power it up. Okay, you can see the Apple logo coming up. And yes, that's the unboxing of the iPad Pro itself. So as it powers up, let's go to the second item, which is the Magic Keyboard for 12.9 iPad Pro. Let's try to remove this one. Okay, once you remove the lid, what you can see is the keyboard itself. Okay, I've already peeled it up a little bit before. Okay, so let me remove the plastic, and once you open, you can see the keyboard itself, and let's see what's in that white package. Okay, it says designed by Apple in California, and you get some documentation in here, guide about the Magic Keyboard and some warranty information, and I guess no Apple stickers in here. Okay, let's keep them away, and let's go to the Magic Keyboard itself. Okay, here it is. You can see the Apple logo on the back, and once you open it, it looks like this, and you can see the keypad, and here you can see the power USB-C port. This is just for power only. You cannot do for data or any other transfer stuff. It's just power. And once you put it, you can open it like this. This is the maximum angle that you can have the keyboard set for. Okay, this is how it looks. This is the USB-C port again that you can use to power, and you can use the iPad's USB-C connector to connect other utilities to your iPad. Okay, now let's take the iPad and let's connect it to the Magic Keyboard. Okay, once you did like this, it just sticks with the magnets that it has, and this is the maximum angle that you can get for the keyboard. And once you connect it, this is the max, as I said. And let's see what it is. Let's see whether we can use the keyboard. Okay. Okay. And I also have the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, and this iPad Pro supports for Apple Pencil also. And once you put it on the top, it sticks with the magnet. And let's try to see whether the angles that it can do. And this is when you close it. It's look like this. And once you use this with the Magic Keyboard itself and the iPad Pro installed together. Okay. Now let's try to see what happens if you try to open this. It seems a little bit hard to open, just like a normal laptop. So I guess you need to start it like this. And once you have a small open, then it's easy to open it on a flat surface. Okay, wakes up and your angles the iPad, and you should be able to just use the keyboard as it is. As you can see, I didn't do any setting. This is just connect the iPad to the Magic Keyboard, and you can begin to use the keyboard just in a second as you put it on. So that's it for the iPad Pro and the Magic Keyboard unboxing.